Up to 12 completed tests are automatically stored in the memory of the GSI 39. You can access and manage saved tests by entering the page mode. To do this, press the page mode button. To scroll through the saved tests, use the arrows in the odd section of the front panel. From page mode, you can review, print, transfer, or delete stored tests. To exit page mode, press the page mode button again. To print the current test results with the onboard printer, select the printer button. To print every test stored in memory, press the Print All button. It is also possible to transfer the data to GSI Suite for electronic data management. Open GSI Suite and select the Tympanometry tab. Then press the Data Transfer button on the GSI 39. When the data is printed or transferred, it is important to clear the memory of the GSI 39 to avoid mixing up patient results. To erase a single test, press the M- button. To erase all tests from the memory, press the M- button.